Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone alarm not working in iOS 17. If your iPhone alarm is not working, don't worry, you are not alone. There are few common reasons why this might happen, and there are also a few simple things you can do to fix it. First of all, you have to check your alarm settings. Make sure that your alarm is turned on. That's the correct time and sound are selected, and that's the volume is turned up. After checking your alarm setting, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. This can often this can often resolve minor software glitches like alarms. Simply tap on your settings, then go to General, tap on shut down your iPhone, and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then to update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. Apple regularly release software updates that include bug fixes like alarms and security improvements. So go to your software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. After updating to the latest version of iOS 17, then you have to do is disable sleep schedule. Sleep schedule can prevent your alarm from going off if you're still asleep at the alarm time. To disable sleep schedule, simply have to go to your settings and go to health. Now simply go if there is any sleep, then simply turn off sleep schedule. After turning it off and you're still facing the same issue again and again, then you have to disable aware feature. Attention aware feature can lower the volume of your alarm if it detects that you are looking at your iPhone when the alarm goes off. To disable attention awareness feature, simply go to your settings and go to Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode. Now you can see here option attention awareness feature. If it's enabled, then simply disable it. After trying this all solution and you're still facing the same issue, then you can try last solution, reset all settings. This will reset all your iPhone settings to their default, but it will not erase your personal data. To do this, simply you have to go to your general, then scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.